There are multiple ways to sort the patient list information on the left-hand side of the screen. When looking at the patient list, only the ones that have either PT, OT, or ST in front of their names have an active case. So patients that are on the list without that means that they're in your system, but they currently do not have an active case. If I wanted to sort my list by patients only who have an active case, I can click this box that says active cases, and then this would now give me my list of only my patients that have current active cases. If I also only wanted to see patients that have been assigned to me, I can click my patients only and see that line of patients that just have been assigned to me. If I'm using my schedule and only want to see patients on the schedule for today, I can narrow the list further, as well as if I wanted to see a patient list here that have no notes written in more than 30 days, I can sort that way. If I wanted to have my patients in names sorted alphabetically towards the top of the screen on the left where it has this arrow and it says A to Z, I can click that and it will then sort alphabetically by their last name or by their going up or going down by their last name. I can also have advanced filters. So if I click this show advanced filters, I can filter by their status. I can filter by who the therapist is. I can filter by disciplines. And if I had multiple location, I could sort by the multiple locations.